Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to download and install a PDF reader, step by step. If you want to easily open, view, and manage PDF files on your device, this tutorial is for you. First, on your desktop or laptop, we need to find a PDF file we already have on our computer. We will use this file to help us get to the right place to download a PDF reader. Once we have found a PDF file, we right-click on it and select Open With, then click on Search the Microsoft Store. We can also go to the Microsoft Store directly if we prefer. Once we are in the Microsoft Store, we will see Acrobat Reader and other PDF readers listed right away. Since we do not have a PDF reader installed yet, all we need to do is click Free and then Get to start the download. As we can see, it is now downloading and will install automatically once the download is complete. We just need to wait for it to finish so that we have a PDF reader ready to use on our computer. Having a PDF reader means we can open any PDF file quickly and without any issues. We can also set it as our default PDF viewer, so it opens automatically every time. Once the installation is done, we can click to open it and start using it straight away. And that is it. We now know how to download and install a PDF reader on our computer.